Sending money from Pakistan to Vietnam can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin with, you will need to choose a reliable money transfer service that operates in both Pakistan and Vietnam. Some popular options include banks, money transfer companies like Western Union and MoneyGram, and online services such as PayPal and Zoom. First, you need to create an account with your chosen service provider if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing some personal and identification details, such as your name, address, and passport or national ID card number. Next, you will need to fund your account. This can be done through a bank transfer, credit card, or cash deposit, depending on the service provider. For example, if you are using a bank, you can deposit cash into your account at a branch or through an ATM. Once your account is funded, you can initiate the transfer. You will need to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information if you are transferring directly to their bank. You should also select the currency you want to send and the transfer method, such as bank transfer or cash pickup. The service provider will then convert your Pakistani rupees to Vietnamese dong and transfer the funds to the recipient's account. The exchange rate and transfer fee will be deducted from the amount you send, so it is essential to check the rates and fees before initiating the transfer. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure you have all the necessary documents and information, such as the recipient's bank account details and your own identification. You should also keep the transaction reference number safe, as you may need it to track the transfer. In addition to traditional money transfer services, you can also use online platforms that specialize in cross-border transactions. These platforms often offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees, making them a cost-effective option for sending money to Vietnam. Finally, it is crucial to be aware of the regulations and restrictions on sending money from Pakistan to Vietnam. You should check with your service provider and the relevant authorities to ensure you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations. By following these steps and choosing a reliable service provider, you can send money from Pakistan to Vietnam quickly and securely. Remember to always prioritize security and compliance when making international transactions, and seek assistance if you need help with the process.